Check out what I did with leftover pineapple. It turned out amazing. I cut it into big chunks without peeling it. Yep, skin and all. I put the cut pineapple in a pot. Added a cup of uncooked rice. Raw rice, you heard that right. Tossed in some cinnamon sticks for an incredible aroma. Poured in water to cover the pineapple and rice. Covered and cooked on high for about 20 minutes. After 20, I checked if the rice was done. Removed the cinnamon sticks, nearly burning myself. Took the pot off the heat to cool. No one likes burns, right? Blended the pineapple and rice for 2 minutes. Let me know where you're watching from for a special shout out. Then I strained the mixture to remove any large bits. If you've watched this far, you must be enjoying the recipe. So leave a comment saying, I love pineapple or I love rice for a shout out later. Now for the fun part. I took 400 milliliters of juice, added ice and blended it again. We all like it cold, right? I added the strained pineapple to the blender. Tell me, if you were making this, what would you add to it? I'm curious about your personal twist on the recipe. I added a cup of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla and blended for 2 minutes. Next, I poured in half a cup of condensed milk. Yes, because we can't skip that sweet touch we all love. This will give it an amazing flavor, I promise you. Let me know in the comments what other pineapple recipes you'd like to see next, so I can keep creating delicious dishes like this one. Then I blended everything with the remaining juice and mixed it well until it was perfectly combined. It's almost ready. Special shout-outs today go to Luis Alberto from Colombia, Cesar Palomera from Guadalajara, and Amalia Garrido from Chile. Thanks for always watching our recipes. Lastly, I'd love to know if you were familiar with this drink before. In my country, we call it pear pineapple. What's it called where you're from? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Rate the recipe from 1 to 10 to let me know how well it turned out.